My name is Marina Ploughman. I grew up in Port-Aux-Choix and I'm still living in Port-Aux-Choix. Came from a very large family. We had to cook to help our mother out. She had that many children, so we were taught pretty young. Every one of us can cook, I'd say, fairly good. I grew up, we had to take turns making our special cake for the weekend. Each one's sisters, one did a light one did a chocolate one, and then we did molasses, what they call the old-fashioned molasses cake, or like a gingerbread. We learned the old way that they used to cook. Meat wasn't easy to come by back in them days, so there was no fridges, no electricity. The vegetables mainly came from our garden. Fish would have came from Port-Aux-Choix. You go to the fisherman. I use my olive oil. I'm going to do a recipe that came back from great-grandmother from Quebec City. I'll keep stirring this now until it's brown, really brown. You brown your little bit of flour and make it nice and tasty. It was fish, you know, with potato and onions into it. I want enough of liquid to cook the fish, but I don't want too much. It was good. And we enjoyed it. Really did. My mom used to cook a master-sized pot. The recipe did come from Quebec. That's where my grandparents on my dad's side came from. My mom's side, my grandfather came right from France. At the age probably 14, 15, he decided he was going to get off the boat, so he jumped ship and took the boat and rowed ashore into it and hid away under a pile of lumber. And the man that owned the land, he came out that morning, saw the men coming off the boat. He knew they were looking for someone. And he was hid away on his pile of lumber in the yard. So he took them in and gave them tea. And then he took them down, showed them where to go, where no one wouldn't find them. Down in Eddie's Cove, there wasn't very many people, probably 3 or 4 families at that particular time. So they took him in, and that's where he met my grandmother too, and he married her. It's just something when you decide you want some fish, you want fish stew or fried fish or whatever, you know, you just cook it up for a meal. It's always made the same way that my mom used to make it and taught us to make it. It was a recipe that we grew up loving.